kurta is a traditional Kalidar kurta which is done on the soft cotton fabric, and the specialty is the embroidery. That embroidery is done in the Lucknow only. This embroidery is called Chikankari. Lucknowi kurtas are very nice for summer wear. So let's start to learn a Kalidar kurta of Lucknow. Nowadays, this fabric is also available. That embroidered fabric is also available to stitch a kurta or dress. Lucknowi kurta is full embroidery for the front and back, both the parts, and available in light colors generally. But nowadays so many colors are available, so you can buy any type of your choice of fabric and stitch a Lucknowi kurta. As the Lucknowi fabric is so beautiful embroidered, so that no need to do any kind of enhancing or anything. Simply you can stitch a plain kurta, and the fabric itself it's graceful, the look is. So stitch a simple kurta with Lucknowi kurta measurement. The length will be just up to the knee length, and the sleeve will be full length sleeve. There are some difference in the pattern drafting for the Lucknowi kurta. 0 to 2 will be half of the shoulder plus 1/4 inch. Same it is 1 to 3 also, and draw a straight line on 2 to 3. 2 to 9 is the armhole length, that is 1/4 of the chest measurement minus 1.5 inch. This gully part 9 to 11 will be 2 to 2.5 inch, and bottom flare 3 to 12 can take of this measurement as a straight or increase the flare by 2 inch or 3 inch. This is the full sleeve, so 8 to 10 will be minus 1 inch, then 2 to 9. This sleeve bottom will be always loose. If it is pointed or flare is more, then draw this shape. Mark a center point of 3 to 12, and 12 to 15 will be 1.5 inch, and draw the shape. For Lucknowi kurta, we have to cut two center part, one for front, one for back. This is on fold, and 4 gully parts that you can cut straight or you can add flare also as per your choice. And this small triangle piece to give the comfort on the armhole shape. This you need 4 pieces, 2 for front, 2 for back, and 2 sleeves. When for this triangle piece will be, the width will be 2 inch, and here the length will be 3 inch. Step of stitching is to finish the front open. Generally this kurta have front open placket, so first finish the open part, stitch your placket. Secondly, though there is no shape on the shoulder, join this shoulder part by matching front and back, and then finish the neckline of front and back. Now join this gully part starting from 3 to 9, so the flare level will be even. Join this small triangle piece on the side gully part from here, from 11 point. On the 4 gullies, join 4 small triangle pieces. Leave bottom on 8 to 10 and finish with stitching. Now join sleeve here on 2 to 9 and 11 to 13. Right seam will be on 10, 13, 11 and 12. Some flare of the Lucknowi kurta. Now you stitch one Lucknowi kurta of your choice and see how the beautiful kurtas are. Next video will be princess cut kurta. So stay tuned with me.